Welcome everyone, Team 7 on another adventure. And today we'll take a break from our little Pigeon Forge, Gatlinburg, Dollywood, mountain coaster. Because as of right now, so far, all you've been seeing is mountain coasters. Man, we love those mountain coasters, right?
We do.
But taking a little break, we're here at SeaWorld. Of course, suffering from roller coaster withdrawal. We just got off Manta. You'll see the on-ride POV of that, right? As you can see, there is nothing going on at Icebreaker, so who knows how much longer before we can finally ride that. I haven't read anything, but then again, I haven't been reading too much about anything lately, so things are gonna happen as they happen. It's all gonna be a surprise to me because just all these plans being canceled, so I just refuse to plan at this point. I'm just gonna go with the flow. Whatever, whenever. You heard that before. I just realized I never said, join us.
Next door about 3 weeks ago. Now, shortly after she was born, our veterinarians thought that maybe she needed a little extra care, so that's where we stepped in. We're giving Mom a helping hand. We're giving Mom a helping hand until the mom and the baby are ready to be reunited. Oh, there she is. Now, she's receiving world-class care and animal care specialists such as myself and Robin that you just saw. We're here around the clock to watch as she grows and learns. Thank you, thank you. If you guys want to see more babies, we have so many more next door at the exhibit, so after the show you can go check that out. But I know there's just so much to do at SeaWorld that it's hard to fit it all into one day, right? So we are going to reenact everything that you can see at the park, but through the eyes of Clyde and Seymour. So first up, the parking lot. Let's go! Boy.
Look at these two, they're playing tag. Saw the mother nursing pop up quickly. It looked very protective. She's ready to go now. She was just sleeping, now she's ready to go. They were just telling us they had 15?
Yeah.
15 pups born this year. Well, yeah, this year, right? I guess this go around. And they were saying that with the sea lions and seals, I guess the same thing. How they can have a fertilized egg, but doesn't attach, right?
Yeah.
Like they could put off the pregnancy to give birth in like June or July. Optimal time. So the sea lion or the seal, sea lion seal, I guess. I don't know.
Pretty cool.
Can be developed enough to survive a harsh winter. That's crazy, right? I'll tell you, animals have got it all worked out. It's us humans that make a mess out of everything. Right? We just giving birth all willy-nilly, all times of years.
Right?
Yeah. Anyway, I think that's pretty cool.
Supreme predator teens.
Yeah, exactly. That's what happens when you're the apex predator. You know.